everyone, I'm Jan, and in this video I'm going to show you the hotel we are staying in Kuala Lumpur. It's right in the center. So we've been staying a week before in hotel Golden Horses, the Palace of the Golden Horses. It was really like a palace, huge and very beautiful place, but it's a little bit far from the center, about 20 minutes in the car. If you don't have rush hour, when it's rush hour it takes about 40 minutes. We got here, but it took us around 40 minutes. So we decided to have another week in Kuala Lumpur itself, in the city center, so it's more like cultural shopping tour. I chose the hotel, which is located right in the center, and it's about 20 minutes walk to any of the sightseeing. 20 minutes walk to Petronas Towers, 20 minutes to Golden Triangle, and 20 minutes to the old town, or Chinatown, it's called now. So that's why I chose that place, and I'm going to show you today what it looks like. I'm standing here, right in the corner. So you can see that's the tower. You can see there's Pacific Regency Hotel and Suites right at the top. And we actually have an apartment on the 28th floor, and it has nice views, but doesn't have Petronas Towers view, so I asked to change the apartment and the room, and they kindly agreed, but it should be free only today, so we're going to check it out. And next to it is KL Tower. I think it's about 10 minutes walk from here, or maybe less, maybe 5 minutes. I didn't go there yet, but everything, all the sightseeing should be in 20 minutes walking distance from this place. I already been to Golden Triangle, it took me about 15 minutes and around another 5 minutes to get to the Times Square shopping center. So we'll see how far it's going to be to the other places. And I'm going to show you inside what it looks like. It has a nice swimming pool, and it has bars and very pretty views. Now this is Pacific Regency Hotel Suites. So we have entrance in here.
Very nice picture, you take. You want to take the booking for the day after tomorrow?
Oh no, it's alright, thank you. It's taxis, right? The doorstep they're offering you service. And here we have reception and the little lobby. Okay, this is our floor 28, and you need to use the card to use the lift, because otherwise I ain't gonna walk. And this is our room 2813. Okay, this is our suite, and I'm standing right at the entrance. A small hall here. It's quite big apartment. It's well suite, I call it, and it cost around $710, I think, for 8 nights. So we have the main room, living area out there, and here is the bathroom. Also quite big bathroom, and big shower. Toilet, and we have lots of shelves and nice also sink, lots of space, and we have anything we need for washing. So looks quite nice. Well, little bit of bits of course, as usual, which needs to be done, I would say, and fixed, but looks quite nice, clean, big, spacious, and that's the bedroom and living area altogether. So we actually have kitchen in here, TV. I don't remember. I saw the kitchenette. I don't know. Well, it comes out of the kitchenette, but obviously not gonna cook here because it's really cheap to eat here. It's like between $2 to $3 you can have a dinner, or a dinner plate. So you can have like a really big dinner for around even less than $10. You like drink and plate. So yeah, that's the room. So it's really big, and we have some kind of views of the skyscrapers. We have a little bit of the garden out there, park, some kind of park, I don't know what it is, and some skyscrapers. And unfortunately can't see it, but there you can see there's a Petronas Towers, the Twin Towers. They're just over there, just a little bit. So the other side, the other rooms, they probably have the view of the towers. Well, except the towers, you can't really see them because it's just one tower you can see, the other one you can't really see, unfortunately. But that's what we got. From the open window you can actually see the Petronas Towers, just one of them actually. Okay, we are on the 34th floor where the famous Luna Bar and the swimming pool. Looks like it's pretty empty and has very nice and beautiful views. And of course at night it's most beautiful, and I'm going to have some fun and party on Wednesday because it's ladies' night, and I think they're offering like free drinks and some snacks or something. So coming back on Wednesday and make videos of the night, the views at night. Okay, we're in a breakfast room today. It's a cafe. Every day we have, every morning the breakfast buffet. This is my plate. I chose eggs, sausage and cheese, some potatoes and beans. And also have orange watermelon and a melon. Have cappuccino coffee, juice, and we have really nice views out there. So every morning we're here having a buffet. It's not a bad choice actually. So you have everything. You can actually have an omelette and there are fruits and vegetables and sausages and eggs and some curry actually on that side. So that's the cafe itself. So it's kind of not too bad, except didn't like omelette really. Tried it yesterday.